Yeah, it's almost. Oh. We are walking away from our hostel in the search of a new one. So we're going to the third hostel to check the prices and if it's... No, this looks great. I could do this. I could for sure do this. Yeah. Alright, so Cleversson is taking his move to the kitchen, so I guess we have to cook. What are you gonna do?
Let's see what that is.
It's like all the evenings. You just gotta look in your little bag to see what you have and make something of that. I'm gonna do something with the avocado, because I have an avocado left. One last fry. One last fry. Come on.
Don't do it. Don't do it. That's really.
Normally, yeah.
No. Alright, cooking time.
I didn't know that.
Garlic, garlic, baby, garlic.
Compensation.
My friend
I would say like if I have to choose plain rice or broken rice, I don't want the broken rice. I skip. I don't. Now some. Start listening more to life.
What do you say? That looks good, right? So this dish is called egg avocado integral bread with platano. It's like a hamburger. All right.
The truth.
You're getting like annoyed now, right? And then you gotta keep going until you've got it. Because that is the feeling I get when I do that. If I have put my mind into, okay, I'm gonna do this and this, and I don't do it, I get crazy.
It's not a revenge tomorrow.
This is actually very good. You didn't work out this morning.
No, tomorrow.
That's good. I missed you at the gym. So I think I will use some bread to take up all this. So I need to save a little one. I don't know which one to decide. Okay, we do this, the big one. You gotta be secure, you know. When you take it, you're gonna be certain, like, you know, with confidence. And bend your knees as well. You gotta like catch it with your legs. Yeah, the pro ones, they're like going all the way down to the ground.
Oh, yeah.
So if you bend your knees and like, it helps so much. Oh, come on, let's go. Let's do the spike. Oh, come on. Oh, you put it on the other way. Oh, you wanted the third one?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you were doing the spike. Okay, the third one. Then you have all 3 cups locked down. Then you can start like playing with it. This is basically what you have to do to learn. Just stand like this for hours and hours and hours.
The first one now is
Yeah. Ooh, remember the legs.
This one, how do you get to this?
I do like this. So I pick up there, to there, and when I'm here, you see I have it twisted in this way.
Ah.
So then I throw it,
Ah.
and I turn it like that. And you really got to go with your body as well to catch it. Now I have to get it. There you go.
Ah, good.
So look, see, I'm there, and then you do.
Ah.
So if you gotta exactly, and go with your body as well. Yeah. Whoa. Then you gotta. You don't want it to like just land stiffly, because then it bounces. So you gotta like catch it. This is like the best part when you can do this.
Clean the board.
Yeah, it's so nice. There's so much flavor in it. Oh, let's go. Oh, that was close! That was so close!
Where did you bought this again?
Oh, where I bought it? I bought it on Amazon. I don't know where they sell them in stores. Probably like skater stores, you know, with skateboards and stuff. If you go there, they might have them.
Well, I never saw that. The first time that I see this.
It's kind of old. People are starting to using it more and more, but nonetheless, it's an old toy that is like coming back to time now, I guess.
And where is it?
I do not know, but I would put all my pennies on Japan. I can Google. Kendama origin. Kendama is believed to have originated during the 17th or 18th century in Japan during the Edo period, and has since been used around the world. It builds on the French bilboquet and is an extremely addictive wooden skill toy that strengthens hand-eye coordination, balance and reflex. Cool, that's pretty cool. Yeah, but it's a good toy to like keep you up to date like with your reflexes and everything. I usually use it when I cook and when I wait for buses and stuff, like in public transport places.
The people like a circus guy.
Yeah, probably. But I'm doing it just to make the time go, because I'm like unstimulated all the time. So I cannot like...
I did it.
Yes!
So I can sleep now.
Yes! You feel that feeling? That's so amazing, ain't it? And that's why I love it, because you put so much time and eventually you get it. Fuck yes! Oh! Clever man, my fucking dude.
That's the one.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna do today. I need to buy one to be training.
Yeah, I'm for sure gonna send you all the links and everything.
I'm gonna see the video inside that.
Oh, dude.
I'm happy that I did this one. And see the video.
Another one.
Oh, it gets better and better.
Spike it, or put it back there, like go around and do it twice in a row. You know, you can always like find these challenges. So okay, now I have done that, and what should I do now? And then you have a combo. And that's the fun part when you start doing these combos and flip it and everything. Flip it and
okay, 2 times.
Yeah. Fucking sick, double bump.
I'm happy already.
Yeah. You should be. You've learned so quickly. You've learned very quickly. The people I've shown, they are super bad. But you get it quickly. I guess you have like good reflexes and understanding of the senses and stuff.
It's like this, I never played
Yeah, you were very good directly with ping pong as well. You're a natural gift, as we say in Sweden. Naturbegåvning.
Natural killer. Yours?
Okay, I'm gonna get my trick while you dish. I've been spending hours on it. So I gotta do it on all 3. Go up here, and then I gotta spike it, and then I gotta do a turn. You see, from there, and catch it again. And then I gotta like go to all the other cups and do the same thing on them all.
3 times each?
Yeah.
One. I hope.
I think like in Colombia had a little
Took you my time and I'm doing all.
and then there was
Good the fuck night.